Ever wondered how secure that public Wi-Fi at the local coffee shop is? Or perhaps the free internet at the airport? Public Wi-Fi is indeed a blessing when one needs to remain connected on the go. But it's not without its pitfalls. It's a playground for hackers who are looking out for your personal data, ready to infect your device with harmful malware. So, how does one navigate this digital minefield? Firstly, always verify the network. Ensure it's provided by a trusted source, be it the hotel, airport, or cafe you're in. Networks with generic names like free Wi-Fi could be traps set by individuals with malicious intent. When in doubt, ask the staff for the official network name and password. Secondly, employ a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a secure server, effectively hiding your online activities and data from prying eyes on public networks. As a bonus, a VPN can also enable access to geo-blocked content. Remember to choose a reputable, fast, and reliable VPN provider. Thirdly, stick to secure websites, identifiable by the padlock icon and the HTTPS prefix in the address bar. These websites use SSL encryption, keeping your data safe from interception. Avoid inputting sensitive information such as passwords or credit card details on non-secure websites. Consider using a browser extension like HTTPS everywhere to ensure all visited websites are secure. Fourthly, turn off any sharing options. Sharing options that are typically enabled on home or work networks could leave your device exposed on public Wi-Fi. Disable file sharing, printer sharing, or network discovery in your device settings while using public Wi-Fi. Lastly, keep all software updated. Regular software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities, making it harder for hackers to infiltrate your device. Don't ignore those update notifications. Install them promptly. In a nutshell, using public Wi-Fi doesn't have to be a risky affair. By verifying the network, using a VPN, sticking to secure websites, turning off sharing, and keeping software updated, one can ensure a safer, more secure browsing experience. If you found this information valuable, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights like these. Feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe and stay connected.